1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1, go.
J. Joe.
Yeah! I always say that. Oh no!
This is the beginning of our J. Joe blog. Be quiet. This will be a blog about the J. Joe's life. Or everyday
And
life.
commercials also.
And including commercials at the beginning of this video, of this blog. So,
And every video there will be a commercial at the beginning of each video.
yeah, I know it's gonna be awesome. Come on, look at me, the camera.